fully Gaza. Yes guys, welcome to the channel. The next day, see me? Today, Sunday, my wife and the family I go out for mother-in-law birthday, see me? So today is a day. So I want you to just please remember, leave a like, share, comment, subscribe. You see me? Tell a family, tell a friend. Says Zooskull Entertainment out there. I do it, you see me? Skull gang, you know the thing, go rap it. Skull. Yeah man, so right now there, we are going to Toronto to make you see certain things same way. You see me? Cause it's a jar, you see me? So catch a jeep. You see me? Just a normal jeep, man. I know the thing. Go, where's your wifey? Jeep out. Jeep. You see me? So stay tuned. You see me? You know the thing. That is it. Clock is quick. Hello. Proper English. The ghetto youth wish. Every ghetto youth wish. Nice scheme house. There's a couple spaceship. Mix your girls on the boat. I'm in the races. Dial alone. Say me one client. Money and forward. Them know we not too talk. Then me step forward. Them but the moon walk. Lift the rifle and make it shoot off. And if me feel like me bust a moon, me better give me way. Make me dance. Yeah guys, so before I make the final stop, make a stop in an yard, you see me? Come link my brother and up on the black scenery, you see me, cause just recently get the place, so watch it the job out there, you see me, so a mad thing man, you see me, it's a good look. Up a cold still, you see me? We up at 30 with it, watch it. Yeah man, so just there go and hold them. I'm not going to see some of my view right now. Yeah man. A good look out there, you see it? See on top for this, so we come out from this. We're going to ride on this. Alright, this one. Right in. Good day, man. As me say, you just remember to leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. You see me? One skull out here, down. Any other skull, a crab skull. So just stop up and scream and stay tuned. I have a whole heap of flag.
What? Wait, hold on, stay right there. Hold on.
stand up in there, let me see you then look. But then I color room now, guys, you see me? Man, move. Outside. You see me? Do it for the vlog. 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 A mad thing. Yeah, man, so guys, tell me about the babes. They are the Museum of Illusion. See? Yeah, man, we're out here. Stay tuned. Holy Pabanga come. You know the thing. That is it. Clock is quick. I'm out. Pop, pop, pop. It's crazy, bro.
You just feel like I just opened my eyes. Look, it looks so whoa! Holy! Oh my!
This is mom's country, okay?
A mom told me, you know?
Yeah, so she's just used to the hustle and bustle.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, so they're in a town right now. They're in a downtown again. You see me? As you see, I'm going to see a lot. So right now with this there, big one thing, we look some food. The food really I look when you have no specific place where we are going. You see me? So just go and stay tuned. You see me? Yeah, man. I think you can't place over it right now, you know. Hey. Happy birthday! Yeah, man, more life, more blessings, you know? Cool. Yeah, guys, so you are. We just reaching back, you see me? The man was a long day, you see me? All heap of thing with you. You see me? Buffy meal. You see me? Buffy dinner and them thing there. Rock back in now, so what I do? Close off the camera now because I don't know I have a long day tomorrow because I have to go to work, you see me? So what I do? I leave you now with a view of the city in the night, you see me? But to see what I'm going. Say what? Remember to leave a like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a family, tell a friend. The Zooskull Entertainment out there and do it till the end, you see me? You know the thing, rep the skull gang. Skull. One skull, you know the badness go down. Mad move.